We'll guide you through how to factory reset your Lenovo laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and have a fresh start, or maybe you're selling it or giving it away, and so you want to go and remove everything from it. You can even follow this if you've gone and forgotten your password as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide you know exactly what you need to do, and don't skip anything as we're sharing important information that you need to know. Just consider when you do this, everything on it is going to be lost. All your files and folders, apps, any changes you made to the settings, and everything is going to go and be removed. Unless you've of course got it synced or backed up somewhere. So do consider this. You may want to go and store anything elsewhere that you want to go and keep. So you can go and do that. Of course, if you've forgotten the password, you aren't going to be able to go and access it. But if you can, then you can go and back it up somewhere. Now, the next step is we need to go and just click or press a key to go and open up the password page. And what we then need to do is we need to go and enter in to the recovery mode. From the recovery mode, we can then go and do the reset. Keep watching, as I said, as we're sharing some important things that you need to go and know. So on your keyboard, what you can do is you can go and find the left shift key. So come over to the side of your laptop down here, and you should go and find it. And you want to go and click and hold it, and you need to go and find the power options in the bottom right, which is the power button, and click on it. And you've got sleep, shut down, and restart. So you want to go and keep holding down shift and click restart. And shortly we can then go and release shift. And yeah, you can now go and wait. It says, please wait. Your computer screen will go black and it will go and turn on again in momentarily. Shortly, the recovery mode is going to go and load, as you can see. So it says continue, turn off your PC, use your device, and troubleshoot. What we need to do is we need to go and find troubleshoot, click there, and you can go and see you've got the option for reset this PC. We can go and choose whether to go and keep or remove your personal files and reinstall Windows. So in this case, we're going to be doing the reset options. You want to go and click there. So we've got two options. We can go and keep files, which is going to remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or we can go and remove everything. This removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings, which is what we want to do to go and perform the full reset. So click there. Now, shortly it's going to offer us how we want to go and reinstall Windows. Now, it is important to note here that we're going to go and get prompted if you have BitLocker and drive encryption turned on and protection to go and enter in the recovery key. So we need to go and get this recovery key. So you need to head onto another device, and on the other device, you can go and head to the link, which will be displayed on the screen, or alternatively, you can just go and log into your Microsoft account. And on your Microsoft account, you can go and head to devices, and you can go and locate the recovery key. You're going to go and need this in order to go and complete this if you've got this enabled. In this case, I haven't got it, which is why I wasn't asked for it, but if you do, you'll need to go and enter it in. And so then what you can do here is choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. You can do a cloud download or local reinstall. So cloud download is going to go and use more than 4 gigs of data, and it'll take a bit of time depending upon your internet speed. So I prefer to a local reinstall. Go and wait. And shortly we're going to be able to go and choose how the drives are reset. So we could go and do this first option here, or all files, is up to you. And you can choose if you're just going to go and be removing your files. You can use this if you're keeping your PC, or you can fully clean the drive, which is what I like to do, just to go make sure it's fully clean. Of course, if you're giving it away as well, this is going to go and be better. Keep waiting, and we're going to be able to go and see our options here. So we're now ready to go and reset it. You can go and see what reset is going to do here. It's going to remove all personal files and accounts on this device, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and reinstall Windows from this device. So if you're sure, you can go and press reset, and the process will then go and begin. The time that it takes does go and vary depending upon the options you went through, like if you've decided to go fully clean the drive, etc. But when you're ready, you can go and press reset, and the process will go and begin. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.